Here the question is, a sum of 2600 rupees is lent out into two parts in such that the interest on one part at 10% per annum for 5 years is equal to that of another part at 9% per annum for 6 years. The sum lent at 10% is. Here the total 2600 rupees sum is divided into two parts and given one part at 10% for 5 years and another part at 9% for 6 years. Let the total 2600 is given in two parts. Let one part at A and another part at B. Here the first part at 10% per annum, that means 10% for 1 year. Here the 10% per annum for 5 years. So 10% for 1 year and 10% for 5 years we can take as 50% for 1 year. Here, so 50% of A is the total interest obtained on first part, and is equal to that of another part at 9% per annum for 6 years. 9% per annum means 9% of interest for 1 year. Here the 9% per annum for 6 years we can take as 9 6 are 54% for 1 year. Here the total interest is 54% on B. Both the interests are equal, is equal to that of another part at 9% for 6 years. So 50% of A equal to 54% of B. Percent means by 100. Both sides we can cancel it. 25 twos are 27 twos are. So A by B equal to 27 by 25. So the ratio is 27 is to 25. So A is to B equal to 27 is to 25. We know that total sum is 2600, means A plus B equal to 2600 and A is to B equal to 27 is to 25. So we have to find out A value. So 2600 into A value is 27 parts out of 52 parts. So 552 260, there is one more 0. 27 50 is equal to 1350. So the money lent at 10% is 1350.